And now, ladies and gentlemen, our upcoming award is Achievement in Significant Contribution to Railways.
Messrs. Escorts, Kubota Limited.
Few more awards to go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's cheer for the awardees. Let's be a part of the celebration. It feels great to get a thunderous round of applause when we are on stage. Escorts Kubota Railway Equipment Division possesses a rich multi-decade experience in design, manufacture, supply, installation and service of wide range of products like brake systems, couplers, suspension systems, rubber and friction products. The range of products is widely used in passenger coaches, wagons, EMUs, semi-high-speed metro coaches and locomotives in India. Additionally, the division is also exporting its products to railway network across the world, including Asia, Oceania, Africa and Europe.
Good afternoon to all. I am Ashok Sharma, heading Sales and Marketing, Escorts Kubota Limited, and big thanks Rail Analysis for organizing this wonderful event, which is recognizing the industry talent and hard work of all the industry talent. And we are very happy to know that we are retaining this award. Last year also we have received the same award, this year also, which is boosting us and team to do more in the contribution of the national growth. Thank you very much.